What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing the 2021 Washington Crossing the Delaware Full Crown Die Chip Error. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here in the crown, you can see in this hat, there's this small little dot to the left. It's right there. You can barely see it. This is my die chip error coin, and it's not very big, not like the other ones at least. And yeah, so let's go ahead and discuss what this error is about. So in 2021, the U.S. Mint minted a Delaware quarter that shows General George Washington crossing the Delaware River before the Battle of Trenton during the American Revolutionary War. On top of Washington's hat, there is a die chip error that resembles a crown, and it looks something a little like this. So I'm going to put in a picture right here and show you. So if you have this error coin, currently they are selling on eBay for as much as $100, guys. These die chips, they do vary in size. As you saw, mine was very, very tiny, and I probably couldn't get $100 for it, more like $15. But yeah, guys, if you come across this full crown die chip error, save this coin. And if you want to make an extra buck off of it, get it graded and authenticated. But if you want to just make some quick cash, sell it raw on eBay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.